Hello everyone, how are you? I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious maracuja dessert to share with our family and friends. Let's begin. Ingredients to make maracuja dessert with cookies and jelly: 1 can of big heavy cream, 300 milliliters, 1 large can of condensed milk, 400 milliliters, half a cup of whole milk, 2 sachets on unflavored gelatin, 8 grams, Ducales cookies, 250 milliliters of maracuja juice, 2 maracujas, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 cinnamon stick. How to make maracuja dessert with cookies and jelly. 1. To start preparing the maracuja dessert, blend the heavy cream, condensed milk, and maracuja juice in a blender until smooth. 2. Separately prepare the unflavored gelatin by dissolving it in ounces of hot water. Do not dissolve the gelatin in cold water. Follow the instructions on the package. 3. Add the unflavored gelatin to the maracuja and milk mixture above and whisk to integrate. 4. Place Ducales cookies in the bottom of a white mold and pour the mixture covering the cookies. Put cookies back in the mold and finish pouring the mixture. Place the passion fruit dessert or maracuja dessert in the refrigerator for 1 hour until it has set. And 5. Prepare a maracuja sauce to add to the homemade dessert. For the sauce, cook the 2 blended passion fruit with 3 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of water, and the previously dissolved the cornstarch. Add the cinnamon and boil until the sauce thickens. Let it cool and decorate the dessert with it. And ready! This maracuja dessert with cookies and jelly is really delicious and very easy to make.